Hello, my name is Pawan Chandrasekhar and today's my topic is non-technical. So the subtopic is hard work versus smart work. So let's elaborate what exactly the hard work and smart work is and which work is better. So first is hard work. So see, hard work is the work we have to do whole day, or smart work is the work we also have to we also have to do in a whole day, but with a smart way. So let's understand it by example. So by taking example of one rickshaw person. So one rickshaw person, and let's discuss one example of rickshaw person and one businessman. So if we talking about the world scenario, so there is only 5% of people who having the 95% of money of the world, while on the other hand side 95% of people do a lot of hard work, but they have only 5% of money of the whole world. So by taking one example of one rickshaw person and one businessman, we will understand it more. So one rickshaw person and one businessman both have 24 hours, but a rickshaw person earn money of only survival of the one day, while the businessman earn the money in one day. Of This money is equal to the whole life salary of that rickshaw person. See, rickshaw person also do a lot of hard work in a whole day. He works 24 hours in a day, while on the other hand side businessman also work in 24 hours. He also work with the same time, but he use his smart work, and he earn the money as rickshaw person earn him in his whole life, and the businessman earn that all the money in just a one day. So how this huge difference is created? This is just because of the smart work, because both have 24 hour, both work whole 24 hour. But although there is a huge difference between them, is just because of smart work. It means that if we just do hard work, then it doesn't matter. So if we do hard work with a smart way, so it pays off. It's one of the example of hard work versus smart work. So we always have to try a hard work with smart work, because if we do only hard work, that also doesn't matter. If we do only smart work, that also doesn't work. It means that smart work is nothing but the combination of hard work with a smart direction, or with a smart way. It is the smart work. So let's understand it by one another example. Like if let's consider one person A and B. So their father give one task to them, like they have to bring water from the well to his home. So the for one month, his father decided to give them a task to bring water from the well to his house. So they both started work at same time, and both have a same time, both have 24 hours to do the work. So person A started work and person B started work simultaneously. So person A and person B started work simultaneously. So first day what happened? Person A goes to the well, bring the water, and go to the house. Person B also go to the well, bring the water, and go to the house. Then they did it 1 hour same. But at that time, person A thinks that if I do this only go to the well, bring the water and go to the house, then only I can get the water at the day which I go to the well. But if someday I am sick or I am ill, in that time I couldn't able to bring the water. So what should I do? So he used his smart way. He what he do? He was bringing water by bucket, as same as B also. But he decided to bring one pipeline. He tried to construct one pipeline along with bringing water from the bucket. And what B was doing? B was just bringing the water, going to the house and resting that day. So after a hard work of 1 week, person A construct a whole pipeline and set a tap to his home. Now he's able to just switch on the pipeline, and he could get a lot of water. But on the other hand side, B was just bringing the water from the well and coming by the bucket and coming to the home. So one day what happened, what happened, their ages become so aged. So that's time they their body is so much weak. So that's time person B is not able to work as they was working in his young age. But on the other hand side, person A use this smart way. He construct one pipeline so that when he was sick or when he is sick, the next time he could get water, even if he do not have need to go directly to the well. So this is how person A did a smart work, did a hard work with a smart way. Because if he only did a hard work, then he is not able to do the he is not able to bring the water. And same, if he only do the smart work, like if only he is wasting his time to construct a pipeline, that time also he couldn't survive, because water will be not inside his home. So person A did hard work with a smart way. So in first story we understand one rickshaw person and one businessman person. Businessman person, rickshaw person did a lot of hard work only, and he could survive only one day, while businessman did hard work with a smart way, and he could create a huge difference between the annual income of rickshaw and hard work. So this is how actually hard work and smart work is. And in overall, what we have to do, what we should do, we should do hard work with a smart way, so that we can utilize the smart way with hard work, and our smart work will pays off. So it is about hard work and smart work. Thank you so much.